Okay, I just came out to turn the sprinkler, and this is shocking, and it seems like kind of fair, in a way, but a squirrel has gotten himself inside the bird feeder. I can't believe it, and I don't know how to get him out without having him bite me. It does seem like poetic justice, doesn't it? I'll take a picture from this side so you can really see. Yeah, he is definitely caught in the bird feeder. And he's a little panicked. He's breathing very hard. See his little chest. Okay, well, what do I do about that? All right, well, I just went to get Poppy up from his nap. I decided this was worth another view. Poppy concurs that he's not quite sure what I do about it. Oh, that explains. I think I was hearing a squirrel up in the tree. That explains. Oh, I don't know where it's. Yeah, he's freaking out. Freaking out. Trying to get out. He can't get the lid. The lid jammed down for some reason. Well, I guess if I unhook it from there and just drop it on the ground. You want to come and take the movie of me taking it down, Errol? Goes. I don't want to put my hand at the top for fear he'll get it. Oh, God.
Shit. I'm sure you can get that.
He ran right between Poppy's legs. He is gone.